So we're gonna learn about some terms in electrochemistry. So like some basic terms, first of all we're gonna talk about like electrode potential. So natural tendency of an electrode or substance to lose or gain electron when dipped into its own solution. So that is known as electrode potential. So it is the natural tendency of that particular metal or substance whenever it's lose electron or gain electron, so in its own solution. So the term we use here is oxidation potential, first term. So oxidation potential is the potential means power of metal. So whenever metal is dipped into its own solution, so it is a solution. Whenever metal is dipped, so it loses electron, okay, and it's gain electron. So it loses electron or it's gain electron, then it's an electron. So it is oxidation, okay, whenever m from 0 gives +2, okay. So this is the potential difference between electrode positive and its own solution. So whenever electrode is positive, its solution is negative, it is known as oxidation potential, because here metal is losing electron. So whenever we have a metal, it is losing electron, it is going into m plus 2, okay. So it is going into m plus n over here, okay, it will be n over here. So m plus n over here, so it is forming, this is oxidation, okay. So metal is losing electron, so it is oxidation. So electron potential difference between electrode is negative and solution is positive. So reduction potential, so this is the positive difference between electrode and its own solution. So it is the electrode, okay, its own solution, it is m plus n. So metal, whenever it will gain electron, so it will form ms, okay, metal in solid form. So electrode potential is measured with respect to reference electrode. So whenever we have a reference electrode, then we can measure the electrode potential. So we must have a reference, okay, like 0 is the reference. So from 0 we can measure positive and negative, okay. So whenever electrode potential is measured at a standard state, so it is called a standard electrode potential. So whenever it is a standard state, so we have some standard state, okay, like temperature must be mentioned in that standard state. So that is known as the standard electrode potential. So the potential measured standard state, like 1 molar solution must be 1 molar, and temperature must be 25 degrees Celsius, and pressure for gases pressure must be 1 atm. So E of Zn plus 2 in Zn, this is oxidation potential of zinc. So whenever zinc is losing its electron, Zn plus 2, so it is known as oxidation potential of zinc. And oxidation potential of copper, so this is copper, and this is the reduction potential of zinc and reduction potential of copper, okay. So in this is oxidation potential because zinc is converting into Zn plus 2. This is the oxidation potential, it is Zn Cu is converting into Cu plus 2. This is the reduction potential of zinc, and this is the reduction potential of copper, okay. So it is the standard in the standard condition, it is denoted like E naught Zn gives Zn plus 2. This is standard oxidation potential of zinc. This is oxidation standard potential of copper. This is standard reduction potential of zinc. This is standard reduction potential of copper, okay. So this is all the substances which this is all the notations which we use while calculating the electrode potential. So the thing to remind is the whatever is the standard condition for electrode potential is 1 molar, 25 degrees Celsius, 1 atm, okay. This is all the conditions we could use while calculating the basic terms in electrochemistry.